Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we got a haircut from the barber shop in Limassol and I feel ready for work once again. I wanted to share with you a really cool website that I stumbled upon recently called SoundDraw. SoundDraw is a free online tool that allows you to create music using simple drawing techniques. It's perfect for anyone who is interested in music production but doesn't have any prior experience or knowledge in music theory. With SoundDraw, you can simply draw lines and shapes on the screen, and the website will convert those shapes into sound. You can adjust the pitch, volume, and waveform of each shape to create your own unique sound. One of the best things about SoundDraw is its user-friendly interface. It's really easy to navigate and has a minimalistic design, which makes it perfect for beginners. SoundDraw also has a built-in sharing feature, which allows you to easily share your creations with friends and other users. You can even collaborate with other SoundDraw users and create music together. Overall, I highly recommend checking out SoundDraw if you're interested in music production or just looking for a fun and creative way to make music. I will put links down in the description below, so feel free to try it out and see the music it makes. That's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.